People are saying Musa Mseleku and wife number 5, there's no chemistry between the two. The things that Musa Mseleku is complaining about wife number 5 is the same thing Utobile, Musa Mseleku's third wife, she's doing every day. They don't see the reason why he wants to change wife number 5. He would have started with the Tobile, Abo Mayene and Mangwabe. Why now he wants to change wife number 5? Anyway, guys, let's get to the story of today. You know, the rest of the houses are running pins and welcome to True Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Yesterday we turned on Tembo season 8 episode 1. So the first scene, it was Musa Mseleku and wife number 5. They were having a dinner. People felt like it was not a dinner, it was an interview. The way Musa Mseleku was dragging wife number 5, they felt like no way. Wife number 5 should have just walked away. Firstly, Musa Mseleku was complaining wife number 5 dress. He went on to say that's not how you need to dress. She even went on to say that she's willing to change her wardrobe. Wife number 5, guys, was agree with everything Musa Mseleku was saying. He even mentioned that he's not going to fight wife number 5's battle. She needs to stand her own. She needs to be independent. Wife number 5 did not have a problem. She was like, she's ready. This is what she has signed for. People felt like, hi, but wife number 5, are you sure this is what you want? Guys, wife number 5 did not disagree with Musa Mseleku. I don't understand whether she was nervous. It was the first time. Like you could tell, young girl, she's ready to be here, guys. She's not going anywhere. Musa Mseleku was like, you know what? I'm not going to defend you. Even if you cry, I'm not going to be there for you. Just know that I don't want to look like I love you more than the other wives. But when it comes to Tobile, Musa Mseleku is always there to stand for Tobile. Wife number 5 was like, I do not have a problem. I'm going to stand on my own. This is what I've chosen. So, I guess it was like highball. So people felt like Musa Mseleku does not love wife number 5. Wife number 5 looks like she's confused. Some are saying that she's here for the soft life. Some even wanted how old she is so that they can judge her. Because right now it seems like wife number 5, she doesn't even know what is going on. Some are saying that there's no wife number 5. They are just acting. Some even want wife number 5 to go and live her best life. She's still young. I mean, Musa Mseleku is turning 50 years old this year. What are you doing with a 50-year-old man? You need to live your life. So there's a lot of things people are saying to say, hi, well, these people, they don't love each other. Remember, Musa Mseleku's goal is to have 20 kids. So there's no need for love, guys, at the end of the day. Yes, what if Musa Mseleku loves this girl? Remember, people used to say the same thing on Tirelo and Pumele. I still remember when Tirelo was introduced to us, people were saying that Haibo, Pumele does not love Tirelo. Tirelo, she's forcing things. Pumele loves Vuyokazi. Where is Vuyokazi now? So guys, we cannot judge her right now. Let's just give her time and see, guys. You know, I felt like yesterday she was nervous, obviously, guys. But remember, the reality show, she's not alone there, guys. There's a lot of camera producers. So she was nervous. She was not alone, guys. They're behind the scene. There's a lot of people. So chances for her to be nervous is 100%. I don't blame her for being nervous, you know. But I felt like, you know what, for her to agree with everything, it gives him Makumalo's vibe. People are saying that this one, she's more like Makumalo, you know. Anyway, guys, tell me in the comments, do you think there's chemistry between Musa Mseleku and wife number 5? Or maybe you're gonna give her time. Let's see, you know, let's see. Still early, guys, to judge her. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself.